Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty egg masala curry recipe. We just need 30 minutes to make this delicious egg recipe. It's very tasty when served along with rotti, chappathi or naan. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add half teaspoon fennel seeds, 3 cloves, 2 pod cardamom, half inch size cinnamon stick. Mix it and heat it for 1 minute. Then add 3 chopped onion. Saute it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame until it becomes light golden color. Keep it low flame and add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes on low flame. Then add 1 tomato paste, mix it well. Close the lid and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Open the lid, also add 1 teaspoon salt and we can add 2 cups of water, green chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 6 boiled eggs, close the lid and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes we can open the lid.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Switch off the flame. Our tasty egg masala curry recipe is ready. We can serve it along with any dish. Usually served along with rice, roti or parota. You can also serve it with chappathi or naan.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.